Welcome to the Jerry and
Dr. Laura Show, sponsored by
the Auto Shop in beautiful Plano, Texas.
And you can reach us at 972-578-0588 or schedule an appointment online at www.theautoshop.com.
You're so cute.
No, you're the cute one. Hey, first of all, I want to thank everybody for all the comments and the emails that we've gotten. Worried about Dr. Laura from our last video.
Thank you so much for your concerns. I really appreciate that. And please do not feel guilty about laughing. We put it out there for you to laugh. That's what it's for.
I got to tell you, she laughs every time she watches that clip. Oh my God, it's hilarious. Watching her laugh like a silly goose over this. But anyway, I digress. Forgive me. If you haven't seen it, just click on the one before us, before this one. And we also I got a note here. They want to know, have you been ice fishing?
I have gone ice fishing before, but when I lived in Canada.
But not in the pool.
No, I'm not going ice fishing in the pool.
And are you going ice swimming again?
No, not till I get my waders.
That is so fun. Okay, so
can I ask a car question?
Oh, you always want to interrupt this fun show by talking cars.
I gotta talk cars. I love this because I learned so much, and I hope that you do too. All right, so here's my question. I'm going to interrupt and ask the question.
You like to do that.
Okay, so last week we had temperatures down at 0
and some below.
Yeah. This week it's 80 degrees.
Yeah, yesterday was 80 degrees. Today it's in the mid-70s.
So with these huge fluctuations in temperature, can it affect our cars? And what do we look for to know that we have a problem with our car that was caused by the temperature?
So something that's very unusual for me to answer with one word, can it affect your cars? Yes.
Yeah.
And what do you look for? The Auto Shop.
Oh, that was good.
So unlike the one-word answer, what you really have to understand is cold weather, the extreme cold temperatures from -0 to 80 degrees is really hard on your car. Just like it's hard on your body, it's also hard on your car. And so the first thing I would do is I would check my battery. I'd have the battery brought in or bring the car in and bring it into the shop. We will test your battery.
For free.
We'll do it at no charge.
Yeah.
I beat her to it this time. But nonetheless, we will test your battery for you for no charge. In the state of Texas, you may have a 4-year, 5-year, 6-year, or even 7-year battery. The warranty on the battery may be up to 7 years. I'm going to tell you from my viewpoint, I replace my battery in my cars every 3 to 4 years tops, because there's no battery out there really that will survive the Texas heat and the crazy Texas winters. So,
and the battery can go out just like that. I mean, there's no notice. It's not like some.
Oh no, yeah,
it's like you get in and nothing happens.
Yeah, that's right. You get in and you turn the key and it does not even click. It's like someone took the power and it's gone. And there is you're spot on. There is no warning whatsoever. And I can tell you, I got into the habit because it's happened here. For me on one of my vehicles, and we see it happen when clients drop their vehicle off to get service done here. They'll go out and start their car and like, what happened? And the batteries go out literally just like that with no warning.
So what other things do we have to look out for regarding the extremes? That's extreme. That's like a 110-degree swing in just 1 week, right?
110?
80 degrees? Oh, no, it's not. 80? No, it's an 80-degree swing because it's 0 to 80. Okay.
Right, math is not a strong point.
No, it's not. I'm a doctor, not a mathematician.
Oh, my God. So the other thing that you worry about is your belts and hoses, and it's one of the reasons that we constantly check our belts and hoses. And with the serpentine belts that they use today, you actually have a tool that you have to measure the grooves on the belt. You cannot just look at it anymore to see if it's going to go bad. There's a tool that we have to use before inspecting the belts. The other thing is fluids, and a real big one is brake fluid.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? Brake fluid is a hygroscopic fluid. In other words, it absorbs moisture. It does that for a number of reasons. For the braking process, because water in your brake fluid under extreme braking conditions can boil inside the system, and you will have a vapor lock, and the brake pedal will go to the floor. Well, unfortunately, the moisture is still there, but in the winter time, it can actually freeze and cause your brake system not to function as it's designed, which is a major problem if you're out on the road, especially the icy roads, and your anti-lock brake system does not function.
And because this is still the beginning of March, we will still probably have some cold temperatures.
Oh,
maybe another hard freeze. I remember, what was it, 5 years ago? We had another snowstorm.
Yeah, we did. And so
Yeah.
snow is possible, throughout most of March. So I would
freezing temperatures. It's not necessarily snow, but it could dip down below freezing.
yeah, I'd almost guarantee it will.
Yeah, okay.
Right? This is Texas, and so we just have to be prepared for it. So at this point, again, batteries, all your fluids, engine oil, transmission fluid, and especially brake fluid, very important. Another very important one is windshield washer fluid.
Oh, yeah.
If you have a weak concentration of washer fluid, when you go to, when the roads are wet, it splatters your windshield. You want that windshield wiper to work, and you want that washer fluid to clean the windshield for you. That
was really cute, Jerry. Okay, so bring your vehicles in. We'll especially your brakes, because that's such a safety issue. We'll test your brake fluid for free to find out how it's doing, to make sure that you're good. We may recommend a brake fluid flush. It's always, how often should you do that anyway?
Well, depending on your vehicle, some manufacturers require it every 2 years.
Oh, okay.
It's that critical. It is that critical.
Yeah.
Really.
Okay. So come in, get it checked, and also make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this with your friends, or forward the email to friends. You'll get a referral fee for anyone who comes in that mentions your name.
A credit of up to $25 for every client you refer to us.
Yep, exactly. And they get a credit too.
Wow.
Because
you are
you
generous
referred them.
today.
I'm always generous.
Well, that's all I got today.
Me too. Okay.
Bye, everybody. See you next time.
Schedule your appointment, www.theautoshop.com, or call us at 972-578.
0588.
You're just looking at me smiling. I didn't know if I said something wrong.
You're looking like a drumstick. Bye, everybody.
See you next time.